Hi there, my name is Carla Berry, and today I want to look at a challenging SAT math question and how you could easily solve it. So let me go ahead and share the question here so that you can see what it would look like on an SAT practice test or the real SAT. Here we go. So you can see here that we have a system of equations, and they say for the system of equations above, what is the value of the product of 1/3 t plus 5 times 1/2 u minus 4? So the first thing that I want you to notice is that this is just a system of equations in standard form. So think of ax plus by equals c. We just have a system of equations in standard form, but instead of having x and y here, we have 1/3 t plus 5. So think of the whole 1/3, let me use a different color here, the whole 1/3 t plus 5 as your x, and that whole 1/2 u minus 4 as your y. So we could rewrite this, and I could also, let's do this to kind of help you visualize what's going on here. You could think of that as x, and this is x, and that as y, and that as y. But that kind of overcrowds this question. So we are going to write x plus y equals 37, and x minus y equals 19. Now you could solve this using elimination or substitution, but let's look how the graphing calculator could solve that system of equations. So I'm going to go ahead and share my graphing calculator here. So we are going to go to apps and then go down to Polysmelt, and I'm going to go to simultaneous equation solver. And we have two equations and two unknowns, and the rest you can leave alone. Usually auto is highlighted here, but you could have auto or des, normal, float, degree. And then I'm going to press graph to go next here. And to clear the screen, I'm going to press zoom. Notice that the top row of your calculator keypad corresponds to the bottom row of your calculator screen. So I'm going to have 1x plus 1y equals 37, and 1x minus 1y equals 19. And then I'm going to press graph to solve this. And it gives me x equals 28 and y equals 9. And I'm just writing that down on a piece of paper. And then they want the product. So we're going to have 28 times 9, and that equals 252. So that is our answer here. It's just 252. And the important step we took when we solved this question is we paused and we thought of, what concept does this question relate to? And we saw that this is just a system of equations in standard form. Ax plus by equals c. And that would simply just be x plus y equals 37, and then x minus y equals 19. We use the graphing calculator to solve it and give us x equals 28 and y equals 9. We used Polysmelt there to find it. And then we could find the product, and product just means to multiply. So we're multiplying the 28 times the 9 to get 252, which is our answer. I hope that explanation helped, and that if you ever see a kind of intimidating question like that again in the future, that you will feel comfortable and confident solving it correctly. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.